Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Hafiz Ardiansyah. So, for today, I would like to create a video presentation from a journal article for academic reading with term tax. And the title of the article is Picture Perfect Using Photo Voice to Explore for Doctoral Student Comprehensive Examination Experience. The article is written by Rebecca L. Coles, Melissa Odegaard, Ken D. Provost, Travis Smith, and David Girls. The article, Picture Perfect Using Photo Voice to Explore for Doctoral Student Comprehensive Examination Experience, use a qualitative method called Photo Voice to explore how four doctoral students experience their comprehensive exam. Photo Voice is a participatory research method where participants take photographs to express and reflect on their experience. In this study, it helps participants visually and narratively articulate to emotional, psychological, and academic challenges of this high-stakes milestone. Why does the study matter? This study is significant because it said like on often under discuss emotional and personal dimension of comprehensive exam, a critical but stressful component of doctoral education. By using an innovative visual method, it provides deeper insight into student internal process, offering implication for how faculty and program can better support students. What I learned this study in terms of topic, theory, or method. I learned the topic insight into the life experience of doctoral students, particularly the stress, isolation, and growth associated with codes. In the theory, the study contributes to the understanding of student development and academic identity formation. In the method, it demonstrates how photo voice can be a powerful, reflective, and therapeutic tool in educational research, making invisible emotional struggle more visible and actionable. I will provide a section by section analysis. Analysis how the title is construct. The title is structured in two parts. The first, picture perfect, a creative and metaphorical piece that capture attention and hint at the visual nature of the methodology. The second, using photo voice to explore for doctoral student comprehensive examination experience. It is a clear, descriptive subtitle that outlines the methodology, participant, and topic of study. This structure combines creativity with academic clarity. In the focus is on methodology. Using photo voice highlight the unique qualitative research method. In the participant, for doctoral student, specific the small in-depth sample size. In the topic, comprehensive examination experience. So the specific academic challenge being studied. The purpose? The purpose is exploration, specifically to explore personal experience through a reactive, participatory method. The phrase to explore explicitly signal an interpretive, qualitative approach rather than measurement or testing. Context. Context in academic. The study is rooted in the context of doctoral education, a specialist, high stakes environment, emotional and personal. The use of photo voice suggests the study is also concerned with the subjective and emotional dimension of academic life. In the last, innovative research, the title hints at the creative, student centered research approach distinguishing it from traditional text-based study. Summarize the abstract main points related to the issue, gap, focus, and method. First, issue. There is a lack of critical inquiry in the consular education literature about how doctoral students experience comprehensive examination. In the gaps, existing research does not adequately capture the personal and emotional dimension of this key milestone in doctoral education, particularly within consular education program. In focus, the study aims to explore and better understand the lived experience of doctoral students during their comprehensive exam. In the method, research use photo voice, a creative and participatory visual method, to document and reflect on their own experience as doctoral students undergoing the exam. In the next uh, main issue or problem being addressed, the study addressed the lack of research on the lived experience of doctoral students during comprehensive examination in consular education program. While comprehensive exams are a key milestone in doctoral education, little is known about how students experience and navigate this process emotionally, academically, and personally. How previous empirical study respond to the issue? The first, most prior research focused on quantitative predictor of academic success, such as CRE score and GPAs. Montfort et al. 2007. And two, literature in consular education has primarily emphasized consular or consular educator development rather than doctoral student experience. Loganville et al. 1982, Stoltenberg and Tiltwolf 1988. The third, Hoskin and Colbert 2005 emphasized the importance of student program faith but did not address comprehensive exam. The last other study have looked at consular educator wellness, classroom effectiveness, or theoretical model of identity development, e.g. Webster et al. 2009, Carson et al. 2006. But this does not empirically explore the comprehensive exam experience of doctoral students. Research gap and contribution made by the student study. There is a critical gap in the literature, a lack of qualitative, experience-based research on how doctoral students in consular education experience their comprehensive exam. This study contributes by directly addressing this gap through a phenomenological approach, exploring the shared lived experience of for doctoral students. Using an innovative method for the voice to provide visual and narrative insight that are typically absent in traditional research, enriching the literature on doctoral, focusing on a specific, manifolding academic challenge, helping educator and program better understand and support students through this process. In the last research design, this article use a qualitative research design, especially a phenomenological approach. Why? It's suitable. Phenomenological is ideal. Data collection and analysis. Data collection tool. Photo voice participant took or select photo that represented their experience before, during, and after the comprehensive exam. And data analysis technique. The author used one 2005 three-step method for photo voice. First, selecting photograph. Second, contextualizing or explaining the photo meaning. The third, quantifying or identifying them. They adapt this into a unique analytical framework call the U heuristic, which involved individual reflection. Its participants independently select, describe, and interpret their photo. Group discussion were held to develop themes for individual story. The well differed inductively through collaborative coding. That's all for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.